Oh, like that.
Face is gonna be so swollen tomorrow.
So swollen.
Worth it. Woo!
Wow. Perfection. Well, there's a cost.
Or anima, whatever, where it's like, where's the wind?
It's true.
But there is like
I think I'm convinced. I might have to buy a Toyota Land Cruiser.
100%.
Kiddo.
It's been a while, so you know I'm super rough.
Despite the cold, huh? Yeah. Can't find Magic Beast running on fumes. Right. Ginu joined up not long after.
Come here.
Dirty egg buddy.
You want to take out this? Put garlic in there. One garlic.